Today we are given the situation: a line has a slope of 1/3 and passes through the point 6, 8. What is the equation of this line in slope-intercept form? Previously, we've been given the slope and the y-intercept and asked to place that in an equation in slope-intercept form, but we don't have that information. We have our slope and we have an ordered pair. So first, let's start with the equation of a line is y equals mx plus b. M is the slope, b is the y-intercept. We know one of these items. We know our slope is 1/3, so we could rewrite the equation plugging in 1/3 where we see m. The other thing we know is an ordered pair. We know that the x is equal to 6 and the y is equal to 8, so we could plug those in for our y and our x. So let's rewrite that and see what it looks like. 8 is our y, equals m, which is 1/3, x, which is 6, plus our y-intercept, which we don't know yet, but we can find it out. Now we have an equation where we've got one variable, and we know how to solve that. So if you need to, you can go back and review your interactive notebook for solving equations, but I am going to walk you through this step by step. The first thing we're going to do is combine like terms. These can be multiplied, so we get 6/3, which simplifies to 2, so 8 equals 2 plus b. I'm just keeping the original y value and the y-intercept. Okay, so now we need to solve for b. So we ask ourselves, do we have any subtraction or addition happening on the same side as our variable? Yes, these two terms are being added. So let's undo that by subtracting 2 from each side. We want to subtract 2 because the goal is to get b by itself. Whatever we do to one side, we do to the other side. So we find that b is equal to 6. So we're done. No, we're not done. We need to go back to our equation, y equals mx plus b, and we've got to plug in our slope and our y-intercept, which we just found. So keep y a variable because we want an equation that would represent any point on the line, not a specific point. 1/3 is our slope, times x. Again, we leave our variables alone, so our line can represent any point, plus, and our y-intercept is b. So when you are solving an equation, when you're writing an equation in slope-intercept form and you've been given the slope and one ordered pair, plug them into the equation y equals mx plus b. From there, you just do combining like terms, then inverse operations to solve for b, and you can plug in your slope, you can plug in your y-intercept, which I realized looked a little bit like the variable there, and then you're done. There's your equation in slope-intercept form.